mushroom shooters. Not everybody likes mushrooms, but still, mushrooms have a lot of protein and fiber in them, and they are also rich in vitamin B12. So today I am going to make this tasty and delicious mushroom shooters. So to make this, I have taken 200 grams of small mushrooms. We have to remove the stalks carefully. 1/4 cup of green capsicum which I have cut in pieces. Onions chopped. For the marinade, I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of lemon rind, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, salt as required, 1 teaspoon of jaggery, or you can also take 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. I have also taken a few medium wooden skewers. So next I am going to make the marinade, the lemon juice, oil, the soya sauce. Next I am going to add the garlic, the lemon rind, the ginger, chili flakes, jaggery, salt, and the jeera powder. Our marinade mixture is ready. Next I am going to add the mushroom caps and the stalks. I will also add onions and the capsicums in it. Now we have to mix it. All the vegetables should be coated properly. After this, we have to let it marinate for 1 hour. If you want to, you can even keep it longer. So friends, now our mushroom shooters are ready. Friends, if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.